To run a no profile installation from a client workstation, you're going to click the Windows Start button, type in Run, and select the Run Desktop app. In the path, if you already know the server name, you would type it in here. Otherwise, you can select Browse and then browse either through the network, or if you know the server name, you can type that in here as well. Once in your server folder, you're going to select the main SharePoint for the Sage program. You're going to choose the BW program directory. You're then going to choose the client setup folder, and then Sage BusinessWorks, and you're going to select the setup file. Important, once the setup file is selected, click Open, and you'll notice that it will bring the path to that file into the Run command line, and it's going to automatically put quotes around that. Leave those quotes in place and hit a space, / and then no profile, all one word. Once that's complete, you're going to click OK, and then the installation will begin.